Hi YouTube, it's Lance, and I'm going to change the alternator in my Lincoln Town Car in 2 minutes. The nicest thing about these Panther platforms is the alternators are real easy to change. So, 10 millimeter with an extension ratchet and a 1/2 inch ratchet. Okay, here we are. I can change this in 2 minutes without any special effects. First thing you do is get on the pulley, tensioner pulley, loosen the belt, then drop it. No problem, still on target. 10 millimeter bolts. There's 4 of them on the top. I don't use power tools. I tend to break things. So, no power tools. All hand tools today. Okay, 4 of these. I can't reach that one. It's not good. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah, loose. All right, there's one under the intake that I can't reach. Will I make it? Don't know. Can he do it? Okay, there is right there. This is. Oh, that's not gonna work. All right, extension. The 2 lower bolts holding on the alternator. You just need to loosen. You don't actually need to remove these. And they're really tight. Yeah. Yeah, just need to loosen these. I think somebody put these on with a power drill. Oh my goodness. Okay. More tools. I've got tools. Luckily. Go. All right, hand tools. Let's try this wrench. This tiny little wrench. Jeez. Nope. Okay. 2 minutes. I can do this. I've got time. Okay, let's try this. Oh, somebody put this on. Very tightly. What I should have done is loosen them first. Oh, I wish I had power tools. All right, has it been 2 minutes? I don't know. I go behind the camera, get it to reach this. Oh, it's not a 10. Okay. Huh. I'm gonna need, let's see. Whoa. Up the camera. 11. Okay. I got this. I can do this. 11. Okay. You'll need an 11 millimeter wrench or socket. Okay, then you can reach this one back here. Man, it's hot in here. Okay, I can do this. Man, it's hot. I can do this in 10 minutes. That's all it takes, 10 minutes. Okay. Nope. Okay, let's see. Oh, don't forget to disconnect your battery. Otherwise this would be quite dangerous. Power nut. Okay, there's that. And probably should find a flat-bladed, ooh, so hot, flat-bladed screwdriver. Give that a little pry. Now, all I got is this one bolt that's fighting me. Someone much stronger than me put that in there. Ooh. Okay. We need a bigger wrench. Probably that 1/2 inch that fell. Will work. Let me go find that. Okay. 10 millimeter, 1/2 inch. Okay, loose. And you pick it straight up. And there's the old one. Put that aside. Grab your new one. Reverse. Drop that in place. Okay, this ratchet, this 1/2 inch ratchet, doesn't actually ratchet. Oh, it's hot. It's like 90. Okay, I got it. Back to the little one. Okay, 2 minutes, it's probably been 4 minutes. We're almost there. 4 minutes, I'm certain of it. So hot. Okay, don't worry about the torque spec of any of this because after I'm done, I'm going to have a certified technician redo it for me, as you should, because they actually know what they're doing and they don't use Husky tools like I do. Well, hopefully, if your mechanic has Husky tools, run away. It is not good. Not good. Okay, we're almost done. Almost there. We'll be running in no time. Yeah, you want to give it all the beans here. That's what's holding her in right there. Right into the block. That's why it's got to be tight. Okay, now put this back in. 11 millimeter here. Got my 11 millimeter. Gotta go. Okay, I'm all right. I'm all right. I think it's been about 5 minutes, so we're well within 10 minutes, as I promised at the beginning of the video. 10 minutes, that's all it takes. You want to make sure everything's tight so it doesn't fall into the engine. That's bad if it falls into the engine. Okay. Now, okay. Got all our proper tools. Power. Oh, boy, look at that. Dropped it into the alternator. Oh well. Let's see. It helps to have tools, your tools within reach. I have a magnet here. Yep, look at that. There it is. Magnet. Don't add that to the list. Need a magnet. Okay. Easy. Almost done. 10 millimeter. Is that a 10? That's an 11. Where's my 10? Where's my 10? Whoa. Ah, it's so hot. Okay. About 6 minutes in. Now just tighten this up. Trying to tighten it up. Okay. Remember, this is electronics. Not too tight. Give it a wiggle. Okay. One last thing. Half-inch socket on the tensioner. Untension. Oops. That wasn't supposed to happen. Well, it seems to have fallen off. It seems to have fallen off. Okay. I think I got this. And time. Okay, kids. That's how you do an alternator in 10 minutes. Good luck.